Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the API usage report in MindX. From the left navigation menu, click on API uses. I have already clicked that one. This page displays the complete history of API request. It helps you to monitor your API activity, request status, credits, use, response time, and other useful details. Step one. Step one. Filter the API request. Here, at the top of the page, you find the users filter. Use the path field to search the specific API endpoints. I want to, like this one, I want to filter this one. I click that one and apply, click on apply button. Now, I have filtered here this API. Step 2, understand the page users reports. Each row in the report represent. Step 3, understand the users reports. Each row in the reports represent one API request. You can see here the time, the methods, paths, everything. Here, what each column means. First, date. So when the API request was made, and methods, it means display the HTTP method such as a get a post like this, and path, so the API endpoint that was called paths, this one, and the status. A status indicate whether the request was successful. Yeah, return the error, any error. Okay, it's a successful. And credits. Credits show the number of API credits you used. When you hit any APIs, you lost the some credits. Unit. Unit display use unit when applicable. And response is so how long the API took to response measure in milliseconds. And last one is IP address. Display the IP address of each request was made. This information help you to monitor API performance and troubleshoot issues. So that's it. The API uses reports give you a complete view of your API activities. You can search request, filter search results, and monitor credit usage, check response time, and identify successfully or failed API calls. Make easy to track the manage your API usage. So thank you for watching this video.